Okay, so what you want to do is go to this website, proteopedia.org. I'll send it to you in the email along with the link to this. And then what you want to do is in the search window, type in 1AL1, and that will get you to the first protein. Then click Go. Okay, and when you click Go, a little window is going to open here on the side. And this says loading, please wait. Once this loads, what I want you to do is click Load Full on the bottom here. Okay, and we're going to load the full model. And you can see this model is going to spin around. Just click the spin button. That'll stop it from spinning. Okay, and now if you put your mouse over this, you can just move this around any old way that you want. Okay. Now to get the console to open, what you want to do is right click anywhere on the screen. Okay, right click in here, and then go down to console. The console is going to open. Okay, you're going to get this yellow box console. Just move this over, and then you can start typing in here. Okay. And the first thing I want you to type is background black. Okay, and that will make this black. Okay. Then you can just follow all the commands that are in JMOL. Okay, so let's take a look at what's in the JMOL commands. I'm going to just open this up in another window here. I'm just going to take a look real quick so I can make sure I have this right for you. Okay, but what you can do while I'm waiting is you can move this around any way you want. This is going to work exactly the way it works in JMOL. You just don't have to download JMOL. It's a little easier with the JMOL download, but you don't necessarily have to use that. Okay, so it's going to take you through all these different things that you would normally look for on the PDB. So you're going to follow the instructions about that website, the Protein Data Bank, and then this shows you how to download it. So what you're looking at here is what it would look like after you download it from the Protein Data Bank. Okay, and then in your console, you're going to type in some of the commands. Okay, or you're going to actually use the commands. They ask you to right click on it and go to Style, Scheme, and then you just mouse over CPK spacefill. See what it does? Okay, and then you can do Style, Scheme, Ball and Stick. Okay, and that shows you everything. Okay, it shows you the atoms. Okay, and then within that step 2 on the JMOL tutorial, you can look at all these different things. You can choose Style, bonds, okay, and then 0.25 angstroms, okay. All right, and that's just showing you the bonds the way they are, okay. So you can follow this through now on the JMOL tutorial, and this is for this what you're looking at. This is going to be starting on the page that begins with having you download the files. So you don't have to do any downloading the files. This is accessing it online. Okay, and this is giving you just a different view of it, but it all works exactly the same way. Okay. As far as everything else before that, you're going to the PDB website. So when you start off with the JMOL tutorial, you're going to pdb.org. Okay, and this is what you're going to see. Okay, so this is going to give you this whole April molecule of the month thing, and then you would type in 1AL1, okay, and hit enter, and this takes you to that page. And then you can just follow along with this in the tutorial. The tutorial is just explaining the information that's on this page when you look at it. That's all. Okay? Send me an email or a reminder if you have any other questions or if you get stuck. Okay? I'll talk to you later. Bye.